Sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing. I will sing. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord. With my love will I make known thy faithfulness, thy faithfulness. With my love will I make known thy faithfulness to all generations. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord. I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my heart. I will enter into his praise.
Yan po, si Lord Price po siya bago siya tuluyang umalis, tuluyang lumisan ng Pilipinas.
He has made me glad, he has made me glad. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. He has made me glad, he has made me glad. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. This is the day, this is the day that the Lord has made, that the Lord has made. We will rejoice, and be glad in it, and be glad in it. For this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. Once again I'm from your birthday. Once again I'll love you.
Ito po ang debut ni Mami.
From Jesus, he has given you
Surprise!
happy time for birthday. Happy birthday. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Blow daw, blow. Pitch, pitch, pitch. Pitch, pitch. Pitch. Hindi, sila may pakalanan yun. Pitch, pitch. Pitch.
Maraming salamat.
Oh, itsura pala, naka-90s na eh.
Tulungan niya eh. Hindi naman naririnig. Hindi naiintindihan siguro yung sinasabi niya.
Kilala mo na kami kung sino may pakana. Kilala mo na siguro kung sino may pakana.
Kailangan tumawag dito. Nanap ka. Maya naman, yung Ali naman, tumawag naman dito. Hello, tulog ka na. Tapos hinahanap dito, baka ano. Salamat ah. Maraming salamat.
Sabi mo, di mo makakalimutan sa paglisan.
Ha?
Sa paglisan mo, di mo makakalimutan to.
Pagbata parang mamamatay na ako. Lumipat na ako. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Kasi pag mag-isip mo ako. Sige, sige.